Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to connect Wix to Printify. Step 1. Select Wix from the integration menu. Start by logging in or creating a free Printify account. Click on the drop-down menu in the upper right corner and select Manage My Stores. Click Connect and then choose the Wix option. If you are adding another store to your Printify account, select Add a new store. Step 2. Log in and accept permissions. You will then be prompted to log into your Wix account and accept permissions. Complete these 2 steps and your stores will be successfully connected. Before your store goes live, make sure that you set up shipping. To your Wix, go to Wix App Market and download the Printify app. When logged into your Wix account, navigate to Wix App Market and search for the Printify app. Click Add to Site and accept the permissions. And then, log in or create a free Printify account. Next, you'll be asked to log into your Printify account or create one if needed. Once that's done, your Wix store will be connected to your Printify account and you can start creating products. Make sure that you also set up shipping before your store goes live. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.